Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, in the last class, I had started the chapter Children at Work. It is the story about the child laborers. You must have some sorts of knowledge about it. In our country, at various places, at restaurants, in temples, in houses, in garages, you can find the small children working and earning money for their family. In some cases, we feel very bad about them, but the bitter truth is that they are not fortunate like you people. They don't have a happy home to live in. In some cases, they are found to be orphan, having nobody on the planet to look after them. And in some cases, they are found to be helpless, left with no other options except going to work. And we have a story in this particular chapter. Here we got to know a character, Valu. Valu is a character from Kerala. He is a very small boy, very young boy who had never been outside the home. And this is for the first time he got upset over the parents, behavior with him, parents' attitudes towards him, that he finally decided to leave the family. He finally decided to move away. But he was very much unsure where to go. As the story says, he had never gone out of the village. He had never stepped out of the village. So it was really very difficult for him to go out of the village and, look or search a job for him. And suddenly he came to the railway station by walking, and he got onto the train without a ticket. He traveled up to Chennai. After reaching Chennai, he found a huge crowds, the movement of people in this platform. But the first time ever in his life, he saw huge crowds moving here and there. उसकी ज़िंदगी में पहली बार इतने ह्यूज क्राउड्स को उसने देखा. फर्स्ट टाइम एवर इन हिज लाइफ, पहली बार. और he got very very disappointed, बहुत ज़्यादा disappointed हो गया. There were many people around him, but nobody talked to him. Nobody asked even him that why, what he is doing, from where he has come. Nobody bothered about him. लेकिन गांव में ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर आपको कहीं अकेले गांव के बाहर कोई बैठा हुआ दिखता है, खड़ा हुआ मिलता है, then they ask you. The village people, they'll care for you. They love you very much. But in cities, nobody cares for you. Nobody knows you also. कोई आपको जानता नहीं. So this was really very very upsetting things for Valu, the boy who has come to this particular city, Chennai. अब देखते हैं कि अब हो क्या रहा है, अब वैल्यू किस तरह से रिएक्ट कर रहा है. ओके, देयर वॉज ए गर्ल हु वॉज पिकिंग अप द plastic bottles and the things from the platform. She was carrying a sack and wearing a banyan, long banyan. She came and she started talking to Valu. And Valu turned to him, turned to her. Valu उसके तरफ देखा और देखा कि उसने behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on her one shoulder. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them. Here you get to know about the child. Okay, the child is a girl. She was wearing a long banyan, and the long banyan was going down to her knees. Okay, clear? Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. So this describes the personality of the girl. This describes the personality of this is that girl, right? Clear? She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them in the into her sack. She was carrying a sack, a huge sack she was carrying on one shoulder, and she was picking up the bottles and the cups. Why is she calling me? वो क्यों मुझे बुला रही है? Why is she calling me? Thought value. वैल्यू ने सोचा कि वो मुझे क्यों बुला रही है. And why is a girl wearing a banyan? उसने कभी गर्ल्स को बनियान पहनते हुए नहीं देखा. ओके, क्योंकि विलेजेस में उसने गर्ल्स को क्या पहने हुए देखा होगा? फ्रॉक्स पहने हुए देखा होगा, सलवार सूट्स पहने हुए देखा होगा. सो दिस इज आई थिंक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वैल्यू फाउंड अ गर्ल वेयरिंग अ बनियन. सो ही गॉट सरप्राइज्ड. ओके, नो नीड टू स्टेयर स्टूपिडली. व्हाट्स योर नेम? उस लड़की कहती है, बेवकूफ़ की तरफ मत देखो. नो नीड टू स्टेयर स्टूपिडली. बेवकूफ़ की तरफ मत देखो. व्हाट्स योर नेम? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? वैल्यू मटर्ड, लुकिंग अवे. वैल्यू ने अपने आप से बात किया और दूसरे तरफ देखने के लिए कोशिश किया. सो मिस्टर वैल्यू सेड द गर्ल, लुकिंग एट हिज बंडल, रन अवे फ्रॉम होम. उसने जैसे नाम पता चल गया उस लड़की को, उसने वैल्यू ने अपना नाम बताते हुए अपने मुंह को मोड़ दिया. तब उस लड़की ने कहा, सो मिस्टर वैल्यू, ओके, रन अवे फ्रॉम होम. उसका बंडल को देखते हुए, लुकिंग एट हिज बंडल. ओके, उस बंडल में क्या था? एक शर्ट था, एक टॉवेल था, एंड व्हाट वन मोर थिंग, व्हाट वाज दैट? और क्या कैरी कर रहा था? एक शर्ट था, एक टॉवेल था, एंड समथिंग एल्स वाज देयर. आई डोंट रिमेंबर इट. ओके, सो इस लड़की कहती है, रन अवे फ्रॉम होम, घर से भाग के आया है. वैल्यू डिड नॉट आंसर. वैल्यू बिल्कुल आंसर नहीं दे. रिमेन्ड क्वाइट, चुपचाप बैठा रहा. ओके, he did not want to tell some strange girl what he had done. वो उसको बताना ही नहीं चाहिए. He did not want to tell the girl, right? He had run away because he could not stand his father's beating him for one more day. अब यहाँ पे बेटा आपको पता चलता है कि why Value had to leave his house. This is the most important point here that we get to know here, right? What is that most important point? He had to run away because he could not stand his father's beating him. So I think his father is responsible for this. I think his father was not a good man. He used to beat him repeatedly and regularly. वो हर दिन और regularly वो मार रहा था. I think so. I think that was beyond control and beyond tolerance also. सहने के बाहर है, सहन शक्ति के बाहर. That's why I think Value finally decided to go away from home, right? I don't know whether this was a good decision or not. इसके साथ हो सकता है कि कुछ अनहोनी भी हो सकता है वैल्यू के साथ. वैल्यू कुछ और डिसीजन ले सकता था पिताजी से दूर भागने के लिए. ओके, बट नाउ लेट अस सी whether his decisions is right or wrong. When we complete the story, then there we can give some conclusion about it. His father would snatch away all the money. His father, whose father? Value's father here. Value's father would snatch away, छीन के ले जाते थे. स्नैच मतलब छीन के ले जाना, छीन कर ले जाना, किसी का छीन कर ले जाना. ओके, छीन कर ले जाना, किसी की चीज़ों को छीन कर ले जाना कहते हैं स्नैच. He would snatch away all the money Value and his sisters earned and spent it on drink. उस पैसे को वो छीन के ले जाता था इन दोनों भाई और बहन से. And he would spend the money on drink. उसका फादर फिर पी के आएगा. ओके, he would use it for drinking. और ड्रिंक करने के बाद फिर क्या करेगा? He would start beating his children and wife. So this continued, I think, for many years, right? Don't think I don't know. मत ये मत सोचो कि मुझे नहीं पता. This place is full of children like you. कौन बोल रहा है? The girl is saying here. The girl who was picking up the dirty cups at the platform. She says that. Don't think I don't know. ये मत सोचो कि मुझे नहीं पता. The place is full of children like you. ये जगह, ये शहर, this particular city is full of children like you. तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे. तुम्हारे मतलब कैसे? तुम्हारे means what? Full of children like you. Like you means the children who have left their houses and have run away. जो घर छोड़ के भाग गए हैं. There are many children like you in the cities. Okay? So what are you going to do here? क्या करना चाहते हो यहाँ पर? Become rich? धनी. बहुत रिच बनना चाहते हो? Now she sat down next to him. उसके पास बैठ गई. Value shifted away slightly. Value थोड़ा खिसक गया. Shifted away. Shift हो जाना मतलब हट जाना. Shifted away slightly. Who shifted away slightly? Value. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Hungry. Okay. He felt hunger pinching him. He felt hunger. उसने भूख 2 दिन हो गए. He has not taken anything. यहाँ पे स्टोरी में उस दिन मैंने बताया था ना कि it has been 2 days. Okay, 2 दिन का उसका ट्रैवलिंग कर रहा था. So he had taken no money from home. He had not carried any money. Right, so that's why he could not buy any food on the train. So it has been already 2 days since he had taken the last meal at home. Now that's why he was, feeling very, very hungry. Okay, he felt hunger pinching him. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसको मतलब जो भूख है ना वो अंदर से कुड़बुड़ कुड़बुड़ कर रही है या भूख उसको मतलब मार रही है. And pressed his stomach with a grimace. और उसका अपने स्टोमैक को ऐसे पकड़ के रखा. उसको मतलब पेट दर्द होता है. आपको कभी इतनी भूख कभी लगी है कि आपका पेट दर्द होने लगा हो? राइट, कभी नहीं लगी ना, क्योंकि आजकल तो आप लोग बच्चों लंच लेके आते हो स्कूल्स में. बट आई रिमेंबर मुझे एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि मैं घर से खाना खा के नहीं आया था. ठीक है, तो मुझे स्कूल में बहुत भूख लगी. तो उस समय स्कूल लगती थी 10 से 4 बजे तक. ओके, सो द स्कूल यूज टू रन फ्रॉम 10 to 4 o'clock. तो मैं सुबह तो कुछ खा के नहीं आया. फिर जब घर गया तो 5 o'clock को शाम को खाया. सो यू जस्ट इमेजिन, मैं सुबह से लेकर मतलब कम से कम 11 घंटे तक आई हैड नॉट टेकन एनीथिंग. आई हैड नॉट टेकन द फूड. सो ऑन दैट डे आई कुड फील द पावर ऑफ हंगर. आई कुड फील द पावर ऑफ हंगर. भूख का मैं क्या होता है भूख मैं समझ पाया था. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, और इस बच्चे ने तो 2 दिन से नहीं खाया. ही हैज़ नॉट taken food for the last 2 days. So you can imagine his condition. Just think for a minute. Okay, how painful that situation must have been. उसके लिए कितना painful होगा that situation. Okay, you won't get food by sitting here gloomy, making faces. तुमको यहाँ चुपचाप बैठने से कोई खाना नहीं मिलेगा. If you sit here quietly, you will never get food. Nobody will come and serve you food. कोई आके तुमको खाना नहीं देगा. Right? I can find if you want. तुम चाहते हो? Then I can find some work for you. Okay, I can find what she wants to find. She wants to find a job for value. वो उसके लिए कोई जॉब खोजने की बात करे. She says that if you want, I can find a job for you. ताकि so that you make some money and you at least eat something. Okay, and survive in the city at least. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. उसके बाद इतना बोलकर she picked up her sack, अपना बैग उठाई and started to walk away. चल दिया. Value stayed on the bench. Value वहीं पर बैठा रहा, बेंच पर, प्लेटफॉर्म पर बैठा रहा. What should he do? क्या करना चाहिए उसको? Okay, should he follow the girl? क्या वो उस लड़की के पीछे पीछे जाना चाहिए? और should he go and work somewhere? कहीं जाके काम मांगना चाहिए? और should he go back to his home? क्या वो अपना गांव वापस चला जाना चाहिए? he is completely puzzled. वो पूरा completely puzzled स्थिति में है. He doesn't know what he is going to do. उसको नहीं पता कि वो नेक्स्ट क्या करने जा रहा है. Okay, should he follow the girl? Where was she going to take him? कहाँ वो लेके जाएगी उसको? She was disappearing into the crowd. वो धीरे 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 वो भीड़ में घुस गई. तो वो she was gradually disappearing, यानी कि उसको पीछा करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा अभी. So he had to make up his mind quickly. अपना माइंड मेकअप जल्दी से करना पड़ा. He had to make up his mind, मतलब उसको अपना माइंड मेकअप करना पड़ा. All right, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. Anyway, कुछ भी हो, I have no idea where to go. मेरा कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है. He jumped off and ran after. और उसने क्या किया? जंप कर दी. मीन्स jumped out of the bench. Okay, and he started following the girl. उस गर्ल के पीछे पीछे दौड़ने लगा. She was not even looking back to see where he was. लेकिन उस लड़की तो वो अपने धुन में थी. I think she is very much, familiar in these places. She knows the roads and the streets very well, isn't? She is not a newcomer like Value. Okay, so that's why she was not looking at back and she was going forward. Now, let us see what happens here. Value follows his friend through the crowded streets to a big building. अब उसको फॉलो करते करते वैल्यू कहाँ पहुँच गया? He went to a big building. He finally reached a big building. एक बड़ा सा घर में पहुँच गया. Behind the building there is a big garbage bin. उस बड़े से बिल्डिंग के पीछे तरफ क्या था? There was a huge garbage bin. ओके, जैसे कि मतलब जो बच्चे लोग मुझे लगता है कि जो कलेक्ट करके लाते हैं, they stuff all those things in the huge or the big garbage bin. Value wonders why they are there at all. Okay, Value wonders, समझ नहीं पा रहा है. ठीक है, Value wonders why they are there at all. वो क्यों यहाँ पर रहते हैं. He caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. When they got to the road, Value found the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. He caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. जैसे ही वो स्टेशन से निकली वो लड़की, so he got the sight of the girl. उसको देख लिया उसने. वो देख लिया. किसने देख लिया? Who found the girl? Value found the girl. अब उसको easy हो जाएगा. Now he can, follow her. When they got to the road, रास्ते में जैसे पहुँचे, Value found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. अब देखा रास्ते में कि the motorbikes, the motor cars were running fast along the road and they are not going to stop for anyone. Okay, and for the first time ever, he has found such a huge traffic on the road. He had never seen such a traffic. He had never crossed such a busy road in his life. Okay, वो शायद कभी जिंदगी में इतना बिजी रोड कहीं नहीं दिखा था. Okay, उसको पार करने से पहले I think he must be thinking 10 times whether he should run or he should walk past or he should wait for the motorbike to stop for him. Okay, so in this way, this was also a moment when he was getting puzzled. This was also a moment when he was, having no answers in mind, right? Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides. Smoke and dust. That makes, that describes the city life. Okay, clear? Means हम लोग जो छोटे शहरों में रहते हैं वो we all aspire to go and live a life happily in the cities. Okay, हम फिल्मों में पर्दों में देखते हैं कि वाह सिटी में बड़े बड़े मॉल्स होते हैं, पार्क्स होते हैं, so many things are there to do in cities, but the real thing is something else. Okay, वो सिर्फ अच्छी चीज़ों को ही दिखाया जाता है पर्दों पर. थोड़ी ना वो ट्रैफिक दिखाया जाता है, थोड़ी ना वो शोर शराबा दिखाया जाता है, थोड़ी ना वो डस्ट दिखाया जाता है, थोड़ी ना वो बिजी रोड्स दिखाए जाते हैं. So these all are the most important part of our Indian cities. Okay, and as far as the city of Chennai is concerned, Chennai is considered to be the fourth largest metro in our country. Okay, चौथा सबसे बड़ा सिटी है, तो वहाँ पर क्या है ना, यू फाइंड स्मोक एंड डस्ट फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. ओके, और दैट shows that the city life is not at all good. It is not better than the village life. Okay, making his head spin. उसका सिर चकरा जा रहा था. Okay, सिर दर्द हो रहा था. He was not feeling comfortable in that. Okay, the city life was, it made his mind spin. It made his head spin. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. अब दोनों मिलकर क्या हुए, they had to wait for the motor vehicles, and after a long time they found a gap to run across the road. रास्ते में दौड़ के पार होने के लिए एक मौका मिला, so they run across the road. Value kept hesitating, and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. But Value kept hesitating. Hesitate करना मतलब हिचकिचाना, मतलब वो जाना नहीं चाहता था. He did not want to cross the road. I think he was getting afraid of the motorbikes. He thought the motorbikes would come and hit him. He thought that bikes and the cars would hit him and he would die there. So I think because of that he hesitated. वो हेजिटेट कर रहा, ही वॉज हेजिटेटिंग, वो हेजिटेट कर रहा था रोड पार करने के लिए. बट इट वॉज द गर्ल हु ड्रैग्ड हिम. ड्रैग मतलब घिस कर ले लेना, मतलब खींच कर ले लेना. इट वॉज द गर्ल हु ड्रैग्ड हिम टू द अदर साइड. व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू आर डूइंग? Grazing cows? If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. The girl is giving a very good, comparison, right? Okay, क्या कह रही है? What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows? गाय चरा रहा है क्या यहाँ पर बीच रास्ते में? गाय चरा रहे हो? That you will stand here still, okay? कि यहाँ रास्ते के ऊपर खड़े रहोगे, right? If you stand around in the middle of the road, अगर रास्ते के बीच में खड़े हो जाओगे ना, then the bikes and motors, they would make you chutney. वो तुम्हारा चटनी बना देंगी. It means that they would make you chutney means they would run over you. वो तुम्हारे ऊपर चढ़ के जाएंगे. Okay, they would kill you, right? Value's heart was still beating fast. Value डर गया था. Value's heart was still beating fast. ये होता है कई बार, ठीक है, कि आपके आसपास से कोई गाड़ी तेज से फड़क से निकल जाए तो यू फील वेरी वेरी स्केयर्ड. आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्केयर्ड फील करते हो, इजंट? यू गेट टेरिफाइड, आप डर जाते हो. यू गेट अफ्रेड. योर हार्ट स्टार्ट्स टू बीट फास्टर. आपके हार्ट क्या करता है? इट स्टार्ट्स टू बीट फास्टर. जल्दी जल्दी फास्ट बीटिंग करने लगता है. Now let us see. He looked back at the central station and the traffic speeding by. How had they managed to come through that? They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. अब क्या हुआ? रास्ता पार करने के बाद now the girl is guiding him to the destination. अब वो लड़की उसको, she is guiding him. She is the guide. Okay, now she is taking to a place where at least Value would get a job. Let us see where she is taking this little boy. Value looked up at the pictures. Bunions, car tires, pens, a woman holding a box. This writing was all in English. बड़े बड़े होर्डिंग्स दिख रहा है, right? Cities में जाओगे तो ऐसे होर्डिंग्स दिखते हैं, right? बड़े बड़े होर्डिंग्स can be seen, right? The advertisements of the various brands can be seen over there, clear. So he saw the signboards over there, right? So he didn't know what it meant. वहाँ पे जो कुछ भी लिखा गया था, everything were written in English. But Value had not learned how to read English and how to write English. That's why he could not read what are those things written over there. The girl turned onto a wide breeze and walked off. फिर लड़की कहाँ ले गई उसको? He turned onto a wide breeze and walked up. फिर वो लोग एक ब्रिज में चढ़ते हुए गए. Value stopped and peeped over the real railing. Value ने क्या किया? Stopped there and he peeped over the railing. वो railing से देखने लगा नीचे कैसे लोग जा रहे हैं. Under him, the road ran into the city. ओके और उसने देखा कि देयर वाज अ रोड गोइंग अंडर द that particular overbridge. In the distance, he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads. In the distance, थोड़ी दूरी में, in the distance, at some distance, okay, if he could see huge buildings and towers, and there were many more roads on that area. See that big building with the wall around it. वो लड़की कह रही है, the girl is saying, see the big building with the wall around it. देखो वो जो look at the big building with the wall, with the boundary wall. Okay, if you are not careful, अगर आप careful नहीं रहोगे, you will soon be counting bars there. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे careful नहीं रहोगे, then you will be counting the bars there. The girl grinned and pointed at a huge building. Right? वो लड़की किस चीज़ को दिखा के ये बोल रही है? She was pointing at a huge building. मतलब एक बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग को दिखा के बोल रही. तो what was that huge building? Okay, now let us see. Was it police station? क्या वो police station था? No. Value squinted and read Tamil sign Central Jail. Value knows how to read Tamil. Value को तमिल पढ़ना आता है. So उसने पढ़ लिया. उसमें क्या लिखा था? What was written over there? It was the Central Jail. मतलब जेल खाना. Central Jail means where हजारों की तादाद में कैदियों को रखा जाता है. द थीव्स, द क्रिमिनल्स, ओके, ऑल दोज पीपल आर बीइंग kept in the jails. Why? I have not done anything wrong. Value says that why they will keep me here? I have not done anything wrong. मैंने कुछ गलती नहीं किया है. You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. तुमको कुछ नहीं करना है. I know you have not done anything wrong. आपने कुछ गलती नहीं किया. Okay, but don't get caught by them. उनसे पकड़े मत जाना. Okay, if they find you sitting alone on the roadside, if they get to know that you have run away from home, उनको पता चल जाएगा कि तुम घर से भागे हो, they will take you and keep you in that particular place. They will take you there, right? So be careful. What does she mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Value wondered. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups in at the station. What are you carrying in that bag? अब बेलू कहता है, तुम इस बैग में क्या कैरी कर रहे हो? Things, bottles, paper, etc. So many things are there. Value wondered what she was doing with them, but he felt shy to ask any more questions. Value पूछना चाहता था कि what they do with it. Value wanted to know how they use these particular things, or are these useless things useful for them. Okay, but he felt shy. उसको थोड़ा लगा कि अगर मैं पूछ लूँगा तो वो बेवकूफ़ मुझे समझेगी, इसलिए he did not ask him any more questions. It was still morning. But the sun blasted down on the tar and Value's bare foot burned. मॉर्निंग का समय था. अब दोनों जा रहे हैं रास्ते पर. I think both of them were going barefooted without sandals on the feet. Okay, उनके without sandals under the feet. उनके feet के नीचे, पाँव के नीचे कोई चप्पल भी नहीं था. And it was very, very hot day. The sun blasted down means it was a hot day. The sun blasted down refers to a hot day. It was very, very hot on the tar. On the tar means what is tar? On the road. Here tar refers to road. Coal tar is used to make the roads or construct the roads. That's why it is called the tar. So here the sun was blasting down. It was very, very hot, and the roads were as well. It was not like walking on a mud road. कच्चा रोड में चलने से जो मज़ा आता है उसकी और इसमें बहुत अंतर है. Means it was extremely hot and it was really very difficult for Value and the girl to walk on this road. He was soaked with sweat. पसीना से भर गया. He was soaked with sweat. पसीना पसीना हो गया. He soaked with sweat. Soaked, भीग जाना. He tried hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl at the same time. He tried hard to walk with the shade. वो छाँव छाँव में ही, जो बिल्डिंग के छाँव होते हैं ना सिटीज़ में, उस बिल्डिंग के छाँव छाँव में किनारे में ही चलने की कोशिश किया. He started walking along the, you know, road. Okay, and he started finding the shade to, protect his legs and feet. She walked really fast. How far away was the food? Okay, वो बहुत तेज चल रही थी. Who was walking very fast? That girl was walking too fast. She was carrying a bag, but still she was habitual. वो habitual हो गई थी. That was her business. That was her daily duties, I think. Every day's duty, that was, I think, because of that she was walking very very fast. And how far away was the food? अब ये पूछ रहा है कि और कितना दूर में खाना मिलेगा भाई. Okay, he's feeling extremely hungry. After almost an hour of walking, 1 घंटे चलने के बाद, आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट, मतलब लगभग, ऑलमोस्ट एन आवर ऑफ वॉकिंग, लगभग 1 घंटे के चलने के बाद, दे स्टॉप्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ ए बिग बिल्डिंग. एक बड़े बिल्डिंग के सामने आके दे स्टॉप्ड, रुके. श्री राजेश्वरी प्रसन्न कल्याण मंडपम. what was written over there? श्री राजेश्वरी प्रसन्न कल्याण मंडपम. प्रसन्न कल्याण मंडपम, कल्याण मंडप में आके पहुंचे. रेड वैल्यू स्लोली. A sign with letters made of flowers said, "Groom, J.V. Vinayagan bride Rani." Means a marriage, party was going on. I think there was a marriage ceremony, right? In the Kalyana Mandapam. Kalyana Mandapam are the public places where marriages, birthdays, all these celebrations take place usually. Okay, clear. So I think both of them are going to join the party there and would have their food. Value stared at the big cars parked outside. Value ने देखा बड़े बड़े cars थे. There were big cars, huge cars were there, expensive, costly cars were there, parked outside the mandapam. One of the cars, उनमें से एक car, had a flower garland and Roses stepped onto it. उसमें से एक कार में क्या था? फ्लावर गार्लैंड, मतलब उसको फूलों से सजाया गया था, फूल माला से सजाया गया था. ओके, इट वॉज गार्लैंडेड विथ फ्लावर एंड रोजेस स्टेप्ड ऑनटू इट, और रोज से उसको सजाया गया था. इट वॉज स्टेप्ड विथ रोजेस, इट वॉज डेकोरेटेड विथ रोजेस. द गर्ल लुक्ड अराउंड. लड़की ने इधर उधर देखा. पुल्ड वन ऑफ क्विकली एंड स्टक इट इन हर हेयर. उसने एक निकाल कर अपने से स्टक इट इन हर हेयर, अपने बालों में लगाई. Come on, she said. Are we going to eat here? वैल्यू पूछ रहा है कि हम लोग यहाँ खाने वाले हैं. Looking at the huge hall and the people inside. उन लोगों को देखकर उसने सोचा कि शायद I may have my food after 2 days here. But now let us see what the girl is replying here. Right? Hopes, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. She led him behind the hall. उसको हॉल के पीछे तरफ ले गई. There was a big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. उसके बाद पीछे जाके देखा, क्या देखा? There was a huge garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. उसमें बहुत गंदी चीजें ही सब थी. All dirty, filthy things were there. 2 goats were standing on the pile. और उसमें देखिए कि 2 गोट भी उस पाइल के ऊपर. They were standing on the heap of the garbage, fighting for a banana leaf. Okay, fighting for a banana leaf. एक banana leaf के लिए झगड़ा कर रहे थे. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. और a cloud of flies. A cloud means बेटा अभी मैंने पढ़ाया था ना, collective nouns. A cloud of flies. It's a collective noun here. A cloud of flies, right? Buzzed around their legs. तो मतलब बहुत सारी मक्खियाँ थी. Those they were buzzing around them. उनके चारों तरफ भिनभिना रहे थे. There was a rotten smell in the air. उस वहाँ की जो एयर थी बहुत बदबूदार थी. There was a rotten smell coming out of it. The girl picked up a squashy banana and held it out to Value. उसने क्या किया, एक स्क्वैशी बनाना निकाला, एक थोड़ी सी गंदा बनाना, यू कैन सी मीन्स नॉट गुड कंडीशन बनाना, सड़ा हुआ बनाना उस निकाली एंड हेल्ड इट आउट टू वैल्यू, उसको वैल्यू को दिया खाने के लिए। हियर्स योर फूड, ये लो तुम्हारा खाना। वैल्यू वॉज शॉक्ड, वैल्यू शॉक हो गया। आर वी गोइंग टू ईट देयर लेफ्ट ओवर्स, वैल्यू ने कहा कि क्या हम लोग उनके लेफ्ट ओवर फूड, उनके द्वारा फेंके गए फूड, लेफ्ट ओवर मीन्स छोड़ा गया, फेंका गया फूड, लेफ्ट ओवर खाना खाने के बाद जो छूट जाता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड लेफ्ट ओवर। ओवर हो गया इसलिए लेफ्ट कर दिया, आपने छोड़ दिया, ऐसा लेफ्ट ओवर, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड लेफ्ट ओवर। तो जो पार्टीज में आए होंगे, द पीपल हु आर अटेंडिंग द पार्टी, दे मस्ट हैव थ्रोन द लेफ्ट ओवर फूड। सो वो जो लेफ्ट ओवर फूड था उसमें से एक बनाना उठाकर सी हैंडेड इट ओवर टू वैल्यू। ची ची मीन्स मीन्स छी बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी में भी कहते हैं छी, मीन्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ईट इट, इट्स सो डर्टी, हाउ कैन आई ईट इट, राइट। सो ही सेड छी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक आई एम, तुम क्या सोच रहे हो कि मैं कौन हूँ, अ डॉग, मैं क्या कुत्ता हूँ। आई ओनली टेक अनटेस्ट फूड, मैं साफ सुथरा अनटेस्ट, बिना छुआ हुआ किसी का। आई कांट टेक द फूड दैट हैज़ बीन थ्रोन बाय समवन एल्स, आई कांट टेक दिस लेफ्ट ओवर फूड माई डियर, राइट। वट डू यू कंसिडर मी, तुम मुझे क्या समझ रखी हो। हियर सम मोर कैच, उसने फिर एक के बाद एक फेंकते चली, टेक सम मोर, ओके। से थ्रू हिम अ बड़ा, उसने क्या दिया अभी, एक बड़ा फेंक दिया, टेक सम बड़ा। Value looked at it with distaste. A value looked at the food with distaste. Value ने देखा उस खाने को, okay, but he was not getting attracted towards it. वो मतलब खुशी नहीं हो रही थी अंदर से, क्योंकि he comes from a good family. Maybe if his family is poor, but he has never tasted the leftover food. ओके, गांव में कभी ऐसा हालत नहीं आया कि उनको लेफ्ट ओवर फूड, किसी का छोड़ा हुआ खाना खाना पड़े। सो एवरी डे ही गॉट अनटेस्ट फूड एट होम, ही enjoyed a very beautiful environment over there at the village, although he comes from a poor family, but things were, everything was managed for their family. He led a very peaceful life there, but now all of a sudden the life in the city is really strugglesome. He's finding it very difficult to manage here and cope up here. So in the next class I'll try to cover up this chapter, and till then, bye.